Today we're looking at different ways to say hungry. So let's elevate your English. Don't say hungry anymore. Let's use some new words. Hello again. My name's Margaret. Welcome to my channel. Today we're looking at synonyms using the word hungry. Here's the words we're looking at today. Starving, famished, ravenous, hungry as a wolf. I could eat a horse. I have an appetite. My stomach is growling. I'm a bit peckish. Okay, so the top three, they are synonyms for hungry. So instead of saying I am hungry, you could say I am starving. Mum, when's lunch going to be ready? I'm famished. Grandma, when's dinner going to be ready? I'm ravenous. So those are synonyms for hungry. Now, the next two are hungry as a wolf. I could eat a horse. So the first one is an as hungry as a wolf. That's an as, adjective as phrase to describe someone being hungry. So in that sentence, you could say, Dad, I'm as hungry as a wolf. When is lunch ready? Okay, that's how you could use that one. The next one's an idiom. I could eat a horse. There's no way on this earth you could eat a horse. I don't know anyone, even the world British records, has anyone ate a horse. So this is a nice idiom to describe that you're hungry. Oh, Dad, I could eat a horse. I am that starving. You could use both. Dad, I could eat a horse. I am that famished this evening. When's dinner going to be ready? Okay? If you're a little bit hungry, just a small, so maybe you've had lunch and it's about two or 3 hours after lunch. And you're feeling a little bit hungry. We can't use starving. We can't use famished. We can't use ravenous or these phrases and idioms. We can't use those because we're not really hungry. We're just a little bit hungry. So that's when you could say this one. Oh, I have an appetite. I have a bit of an appetite. I think I'll get an apple. So that's when you're a little bit hungry. I'm a little bit hungry. I have an appetite for maybe some crisps or some potato chips, as you would say. I have an appetite to eat some snacks. My stomach is growling. So growling. Not really. But the noise your stomach makes a rumbling sound. Mine does. Sometimes it makes the noise after I've ate. Just my stomach is saying thank you for giving it lovely food. Or my stomach is rumbling or growling maybe half an hour before my food, but I'm not that hungry. My stomach is letting me know it's time to eat. Grandma, my stomach is growling. When's lunch ready? Okay? I'm a bit peckish. I use that quite often. I'm a bit peckish when I want a snack. So sometimes in the afternoon I have a cup of coffee, feeling a bit peckish, so I would have like a biscuit or something like that. Okay? So today we've been looking at the synonyms for hungry and looking at the difference between really hungry, and just a little bit hungry. I hope I've helped you with the understanding of that today, and I hope to see you using some of these words in some great sentences. Thanks for watching today. I hope to see you again soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want more videos like this. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.